Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Liberty Tree Collectors. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. Okay, so go ahead and slice that. Bubble wrap. Item, 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 manifest, and paper wadding. So let's go ahead and get this material out of the way. Let's see here. Let's do this one first. I wasn't planning to, but let's look at the Chinese SKS canvas ammo and grenade belt first. So you can see here they bagged it with some tape. I'm going to go ahead and cut this like so. Okay, so you can see here a little bit of storage, dust and whatever there, but this does appear to be unissued, and it has that very interesting variety of fabric material as well as plastic buckles. It actually looks like, if you look at that, they may have aged slightly different, because this one looks more green, this one looks a little bit more yellow tint to it. So different fasteners there for this style of pocket, with this kind of a copy of the European style with this, and then tucking in this loop to the fastener like so. So you have a large number of pockets, the different sizes to hold the grenades. Here, you can see there, stick style possibly, with the length of those pockets. And then on this side continues with these two. So not quite a symmetrical setup, as you can see. Shoulder belts, cross straps, kind of leather retainers there. And it looks like half of a ladybug. There, our discard pile right there. So, again, even here, little made in China sticker. We'll tuck that into one of these pockets here. A Chinese SKS canvas ammo and grenade belt. So next up we have, let's go with one of these. This should be a Mosin Nagant ammo pouch, Soviet, late 1970s. See if we can get a little slack here on the tape and open this bag. Take the tape right off once and for all. Okay, so this here even has also a little bit of storage staining there. You can see here the style of flap with the little brass tip there. 2-cell pocket style, and the different materials used for this flap here. Hopefully that'll clean up a little bit, as well as the same color on the belt loops as well. Those are fastened on. And this material here sort of feels not like leather, but more of a vinyl for sure. So multiple types of materials. Again, Mosin Nagant ammo pouch, Soviet, late 1970s. Continuing that, let's look at this one here. This is a Mosin Nagant ammo pouch, Soviet, 1950s. So if we can get this open. Okay. See, this one has the 2 separate cells as opposed to one with 2 inner cells with a divider. This one has dark brown straps, as you can see, with more pointed style type of fastener there, as you can see, as opposed to the rounder flat style. Also, similarly, the back belt loops are also dark, and you can see those are fastened as a detachable style as opposed to the later fixed style. And also here, center attachment for suspenders or some other method, however you're going to rig this up to whatever. But again, Soviet 1950s Mosin Nagant ammo pouch. So stack it up here. Next up, let's stick to the Mosin Nagant theme. Off to the side here, these are Reproduction dark brown Mosin Nagant M91/30 bayonet scabbards. Again, reproductions. So you can see these are individually wrapped. Let's just take out one of them. So you see these are quite long, and these are for the kind of the spike style bayonet. Brass ends. This kind of wrapping, not sure what that material is there. Single stitching. There's some sort of harder stiffener core inside of this leather material. Even this has storage detritus on there. So even though this is a reproduction, this might have some age to it as well. So again, Mosin Nagant M91/30 bayonet scabbard reproduction, dark brown. As a bonus treat, I just pulled something out of the collection. This is an actual 91/30 bayonet. So you can see here, it actually fits. So very cool. Continuing, let's take a look at our two last items here. Oh, look at that. We even have one of these going on. So let's see. We got, trying to go by feel here. Let's unwrap both. Get that over with. I'm going to cut the tape. A little bit like that. Trying not to guess, so we'll open both first. Okay, and then this one, doing it live. This one's really wrapped tight. Okay. I might need to cut this again, I'm not sure. Nope. Well packaged, another bag on the inside, and this actually looks, oh wow. Okay, so without even looking at the manifest, bayonet knife M8A1, one each, and you can see here it actually has the number and stuff on there. And then this was crammed into there, very cool. Look at this carbon protector in there, paper wrapping with, look at all that, the mill type of printing on there. So I'm keeping this too with that. But you can see here the M8A1 bayonet, and this one has no scabbard, but this is meant to mount to the M1 Garand system. There you can see the groove for the lug, as well as the button mechanism does work. I'm not sure if we have enough light to see any latch movement. You might see right there, going up and down. See the tang emerging out of here. The handles, again the button, screws to attach the grip scales, cross piece with the lug for the end to attach to the M1 Garand itself. Blade pattern, half solid, half upper blade, full lower blade and the blade point. But ooh, very cool. M8A1 bayonet, no scabbard for the M1 Garand pattern, plus all this packing paper, which is original, hopefully. And then last but not least, to go with that, is a US M8A1 bayonet scabbard repaired. So let's see what's been done to this. You can see it has a wire hanger, the little straps here in the little X pattern here. Sometimes these actually shrink and are tight, and you're not actually able to wrap them around the handles. That's sometimes why they end up stowed like that. Let's see if we have a magnetic hit on any of these components. Yes, this is steel here at the bottom piece. No lanyard on this one. Some sort of probably plastic or reinforced nylon sheath. Oop, definitely magnetic here at the guard area at the mouth. And the rivet style there. Some sort of material has been soaked into the canvas. It's very stiff and strong feeling. And let's see if this does fit. Yes, it does. So now I have a matching little set here. So if we work our way backwards, we just looked at the US M8A1 bayonet scabbard repaired. I just placed in there the M1 Garand M5A1 bayonet, which had no scabbard, but now has one to go with it. And this was the cardboard material originally with the bayonet itself. Also, let's see what we get in the view here. The Mosin Nagant material that we looked at, 2 Reproduction M9130 bayonet scabbards, again reproductions in dark brown, as you can see there. We also had 2 versions of the Mosin Nagant ammo pouches, 1950s Soviet, 1970s Soviet. And we had started off with the Chinese SKS camo ammo and grenade belt. And these all came from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. Liberty Tree Collectors. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a series of book review media reviews, and another series called Curios for the Curious, videos from our artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.